and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming this look. It's a Bella Hadid inspired look from the Venice Film Festival. I'm going to post the picture right here, and I will try and link it down below too, so you can just get like a better sense of what it looks like. And I hope that you enjoy watching. Let's get into the video. Welcome back. I already primed, prepped, put foundation on my face and concealer. So now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna go right in and set my under eyes, and then we're going to start with the eyes, and then we'll do all the finishing touches at the end, like bronzer and everything. I just wanted to make this video a lot quicker than the last two, so yeah, let's get into it. So like I said, I already did my foundation. If you've seen the last two videos, my foundation never changes, and neither does my concealer. If anyone does have suggestions on something that I could try, let me know, and I would love to try it for you guys. The first thing we are going to do is, like I said, we're gonna set the under eyes, and I'm just gonna make sure that there's no creases, no wrinkles, dinkles, crinkles, and flinkles. You know the drill. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and we're going to pat it in, and we're gonna bring it up, and this is going to help us create the lifted effect that Bella always has. She already has that shape of an eye, and mine are rounder. We're gonna try and lift the eye a little bit more. And if you have round eyes, this I've found helps. Other side. Now you can do whatever you want. Like, I know some people use tape to kind of make that lifted effect. I like to use translucent powder because every time I've used tape, it's like almost too much of a crisp line. And then I'm just gonna take a brush like this. I'm gonna set the eyelids too. Okay, so it looks as though she has like a brownish on the outer corner, and then on the inner corner is where the silver is. So I'm gonna take the Smashbox Full Exposure palette. If you're looking for just like a basic palette and you're just starting out with makeup, I highly recommend this. It's really like simple, and it has all neutral colors. Some of them are also shimmery, and then you get like the matching matte color. And I'm just gonna start with the lightest shade in the palette just to kind of create a blank canvas. You want to bring that all the way up to the brow bone. Next, we're going to take the next darkest shade, and you can use like any like browns. You could probably even use bronzer for this part if you wanted, but this we're just going to apply more to the outer corner. Okay, next, bring in some more cool tones, because it looks like in her photo it's a mix almost of cool tones and warm tones. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just use a little bit of this one, and I'm just gonna do that just in like the outer V. Okay, now I'm gonna take a blending brush and I'm gonna blend that together. I think I'm gonna take a little bit more brown and just put it kind of like on the brow bone. Next, we're gonna go in with a little bit of silver. So I'm actually gonna go in with the Conspiracy palette. I'm gonna use Diet Cola. And we're just gonna take a flat brush and then just apply it right here, like in this inner corner area. Pretty. I've never used this color before and I love it. The Conspiracy palette is, it's freaking bomb. It's just so good. Okay. And then I'm just gonna maybe take it a little bit and put it in this like inner corner area. So I think I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit because hers almost looks like a little more blended. Now I'm going to just wipe away that translucent powder. Now I think I'm just gonna go and do my brows. So Bella's brows are like super light. All I'm gonna use is brow gel. I'm just gonna brush mine up. And also hers are straight and mine obviously are like curved more. Yeah, try and like eliminate the curve. I'm just gonna use a little bit of brow gel just to like keep them in place. Oop. Excuse that. I'm gonna take some of the Ready Set Brow by Benefit. I don't know how other people feel, but I just feel like Benefit has the best brow products. That's just my opinion. I'm sure y'all are gonna be like, no, Anastasia. Done, I'm not gonna touch them anymore. But what I am going to do is I'm gonna highlight under the brow bone. She has just a subtle highlight. I'm just gonna use this like very subtle highlight from this Hourglass palette. And we're just gonna brush it underneath the brow. Time to bronze. Do y'all like always go in the same order when you do your makeup? Because mine always changes. Like some days I'm like, I'm gonna do my brows first, and then I'm like, oh, today I'm gonna do my brows last. Okay. And I just have like a little bit of fallout, so like what I do is I just take a big fluffy brush with some translucent powder and I like wipe it away. Anyways, mascara. I'm just gonna apply it and then I'll be back. Okay, so I applied my, what was I like? I applied the mascara and now we just need to add some blush and then a little highlighter and some lips. So many steps, but it looks like almost like she has like a very bright blush. So I'm gonna take this one from that same palette and I'm just gonna apply it to the apples of my cheeks. There we go. Yeah, we'll just take the same highlighter we used on our brows and we're just gonna hit it here and then like bring it up a little bit like this. And that kind of helps, you know, your face what I'm trying to say. Your face go up. You know what I mean. Okay, now I'm taking all the crap off of my lips because I hate that. It's so gross to me. And let's start with a little bit of lip cheek. And then for hair, she just did like her classic slicked back look, so that's what I did. And if you want a tutorial on this, comment down below, like this video, let me know. I can always do one. Let me know what you want to see too. Like, I'm always open for suggestions. Just don't be rude.
Don't be
Rude. Are you kidding me? So then I'm gonna take Lolita 2. This is the like liquid lipstick. And then Bella always has a gloss on, so I'm just gonna use the Lip Maximizer by Dior, which I think she is like their ambassador, so maybe she was wearing this. But we're just gonna apply that. And there you have it. There is your Bella inspired Venice Film Festival look. I don't have a stunning, gorgeous silver dress, so to make do with this whatever I'm wearing. But yeah, that's the final look. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace out, Girl Scout. What? Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe. I can't stand that TikTok. It needs to die now. Bye.